Issue of brushing your teeth, this is a sunnah. The Prophet ﷺ used to use this known as miswak. And the companion of the Prophet said ﷺ, I saw the Prophet ﷺ use the miswak countless of numbers during the day while fasting. Which means that brushing your teeth is okay. Now, some scholars put restrictions on using toothpaste because toothpaste has mass to it. So if you swallow some of it, you would break your fast. But usually people brush their teeth well until it's dissolved, and then when they turn the water in the mouth and spit it out, it's all gone. All what remains is the taste. And the taste is no problem. It does not impact your fasting. So can I do it number of times a day? No problem. Can I use mouth spray? Oh, this is different. If you said mouth wash, where you turn the water in your mouth and you spit it out, nothing is left, no residue, nothing. This is no problem. When you use a mouth spray, this is liquid, and you don't spit it out, you swallow it. This breaks your fasting. And you have to be careful. Likewise, chewing gum. Chewing gum has particles in it that dissolve, and you swallow that with your saliva, and this breaks your fasting. One cleans his teeth with miswak, and pieces of the miswak and the wetness from the miswak reaches his throat. Does his fast break? Well, pieces of the miswak are pieces. If you deliberately swallow them, they break your fast. Likewise, if I have a piece of meat between my teeth, and I do this and I do this, and it comes out, and I swallow it, if it's in prayer, it breaks my prayer because this is considered eating. And if I'm fasting, it breaks my fasting because this is deliberate eating. This is different from someone who finds something and he tries to take it out, but it's so small and negligible, it goes to the back of his throat. There's no way he can take it out. And he swallows it unintentionally. This doesn't impact your fasting. A piece of miswak that was there, I didn't pay attention to it, I didn't know it existed, and all of a sudden, it's at the back of my throat, and I swallowed it unintentionally. It doesn't impact your fasting. What about the liquid in the miswak itself? It does not impact your fasting because never it was reported to us that the Prophet used to brush his teeth and spit it out. So this liquid is so negligible, it has no impact. It's exactly like when you rinse your mouth in wudu and you spit it out, there remains an amount of water mixed with your saliva. This is negligible.